massage you want after a hard day's work? What are you doing with your life? So you're good at driving a pedicab? Wow, that's an accomplishment. You just worked 8 hours on Bourbon Street? And you got harassed for 6 of them? You saw a guy playing with a dog. Guess what? That was not a dog. You know what? You move forward. It's time you found yourself a real fridge. So come on down to the Red Shop in the French Quarters for a fridge completely filled with beer.
I got my $2.
Here, have it.
Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord.
Wasn't that total shit full of shit, dude?
Who the fuck cares? I'm drunk right now.
Isn't it great that we're all such freaks? And we're comfortable with that?
I love drinking with my coworkers who are also my friends.